Hi guys, let's make spicy noodles. Already sounding delicious. So I'm going to use the Maggi masala noodles. Maggi masala spicy. And let's start. Pan is hot and let's pour oil. Add the onions. Keep it in high flame and saute it. Now let's add the carrots, a green pepper and jalapeno peppers. And this is the Brussels sprouts. Slice it lengthwise. Now I'm going to add dhania powder, 1 spoon, and sambar powder, 1 spoon, and little 1 spoon of garam masala powder. Add salt. And little bit of chili powder. So you just need to saute it just for a minute, and now this is done. I'm going to transfer this. Now I'm going to add water. I've added 3 cups of water. Let's add the noodles to the boiling water. This is the masala that comes inside the Maggi noodles. Pour little bit of oil. I'm going to add a little bit more water to it. Reduce the flame now, it's almost done. Now let's add the vegetables. Looks really delicious. I'm going to turn it off. All the vegetables should be crunchy. Done. Yummy, yummy. I don't think I need to taste it because anyways it's going to taste good. Okay. Awesome, and you have to try it with the Brussels sprouts. Bye.